Here we go.
To warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the Lake Erie short-term marine forecast within 5 nautical miles from shore. Gale warning in effect through late Thursday night.
Come on.
Water advisory in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Rest of today, the southwest winds to 30 knots increasing to 40 knots. A slight chance of rain late this morning, then a slight chance of rain and snow this afternoon. Waves 4 to 7 feet building to 6 to 9 feet. Waves occasionally around 11 feet. Tonight, southwest gales to 40 knots becoming west to 35 knots. A chance of snow. Waves 6 to 10 feet. Waves occasionally around 13 feet. At 11 a.m. Weather reports for selected cities. At Cleveland Hopkins Airport was cloudy. The temperature was 40 degrees, the dew point 30, and the relative humidity was 67%. The wind was west